Test subject is 59-year-old Thomas Clark, a full-time employee at Playtime Co. since...
Ever slaves to prototype. Only you can end this nightmare, this madness.
The spiritual bond between us is unbreakable.
Hi, I'm Experimental Self-Learning Machine, codename 1006. I'm sorry I look like this. My creators didn't give me a body, and I have to assemble it myself. I take unnecessary toys and mechanisms to become better. Other toys are afraid to communicate with me, so I read and experiment a lot. It looks like Ludwig has noticed me and wants to assign me an important job at the research center. I will be the first creature to be allowed to work in the laboratory. I have a lot of fresh ideas. I hope other employees will like them.
Oh no, you need to run! Now!
Day 350. I was transferred to the assembly department. I have prepared a surprise. My development will breathe new life into our toys. Day 500. They fired me. They wrote it off. They say I'm going to be disposed of?